Hi, my name is Przemek Chojecki, and this episode is about learning data science for free. A couple of you already asked me about this. I got a couple of questions regarding free books, free courses, and I'm going to present some of the sources in this video here. So please watch on, and also please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a like so that the YouTube algorithm know that this is a good content for data science. Okay, so the source I'm going to present to you right now is actually the most viewed um, course on my channel, the most viewed video on my channel, and I've decided to put everything together and put the whole data science crash course on one website, Data Science Rush, together with lecture notes and together with all the videos. So I will give a link directly to you below in the description, but the whole idea is that you can get into data science very quickly for free. You don't have to subscribe, you don't have to give me any details about who you are, like email or anything like that. It's really totally free, and as you can see, it's basically a step-by-step how to start with Python, how to install Anaconda, then what kind of linear algebra statistics you need to learn, and then I discuss basic issues like processing data, getting data, classification, clustering, neural networks, dimensionality, reduction, and visualization. And then I give you a couple of more sources to learn from about data science. So if you go directly to the Data Science Rush website, then you have on one single website every lecture with the link from YouTube, or you can see that on my YouTube channel. And then I also give you lecture notes if you want to read more outside of what I'm talking about in the video. So I think this is a perfect resource for anyone wanting to learn data science and just jumpstart their career into data science. So here are a couple of links, for example, where you should get data from. Then the first chapter is basically about the techniques, basic methods, basic algorithms in data science, which can be useful when you're just starting. So I talk about classification, clustering, all those various tasks. And then I also give you links to really how to start, what to do, step by step. It's really simple as that, because I believe that right now it's never been easier to start educating yourself, especially if you have free time outside of your job, outside of your work. You can really easily get into data science, do that on the side. You don't have to pay actually anything to start. And then once you start, you can buy some courses or books if you already know what you're looking for. But for the very first material, for the very first course, I think you can already find something useful for free, and then starting from that, get into more advanced material and eventually find a data science job or level up your current position. So this is basically it. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a link in the description to this video with free books, free data science books from Springer. So Springer Verlag is one of the biggest publishing houses, and they've just announced a couple of books being available for free. So you can download ebook on data science, machine learning, statistics, linear algebra, and learn even more totally for free as an ebook. That's a fantastic way to learn. So as you can see, the whole course is going on here, also with some code examples and a couple of links where you can follow to learn more about a particular concept in data science. So this is what I wanted to present to you in this video. If you want to know what's going on with data science, if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. This way I will know that I'm producing good content. And moreover, if you want to stay tuned to all my educational materials, you can also subscribe to my newsletter. So if you go down, very down below to the website with this data science crash course, then you will see that you can join the Data Science Rush newsletter. And that's where I'm be able to send you emails about other courses, other books, other materials, and in general technological news that are out there. So thank you for watching. If you like what I'm creating, then also please subscribe to my Patreon. I've decided to take even from the smallest amounts of like $1, because I think it just shows support and I'm not planning to make like a lot of money from Patreon. It's just to show support for everyone who's interested in data science, and it also will allow me to send you some more materials on data science. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.